Yo, you sexy?
So are you.
Nah. Nah.
Yes.
Alright, fiance.
Hi, fiance.
Yeah. Hey, what's up, people? This is Jules and Char.
Hi. Today we have a story time for you guys.
Yeah. Story time of how I got to propose. Show.
Ding, 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 ding,
To Char. You know, so strap your seatbelts in. It's gonna be a bumpy ride because she hated my guts before I gave her this ring.
Oh my god. I didn't hate your guts. I was just getting antsy.
Okay. All right. So where we starting from? Summertime or?
We can start from the summertime when we actually spoke to an immigration lawyer to find out what needs to be done for him to move to Canada because he's going to be moving here with me. So we wanted to figure out the process, what has to be done. So we met with an immigration lawyer and she said the best way is to basically proceed with a spousal sponsorship. Spousal meaning we got to get married.
Yeah.
So we went to a jewelry store down on what is it called?
Jewelers Row.
Jewelers Row, and it has like a slew of jewelry stores. So if you're looking for any type of jewelry, and if you're in Philadelphia, definitely go to this strip-like thing because there's so many choices. I'm sure you'll find something. But anyways, so he took me into the store, and the associates approached us and asked what we're looking for. You know, I said, I'm looking for princess cut, engagement ring, white gold, because, you know, I've had this all in my head since I've been small. Okay, I know exactly what I want. And so, why are you laughing?
Yeah, go ahead. Crazy.
So they lined up a few rings for me to try. First one that I tried, it was small, and I thought it would look perfect on my finger because I have small hands, and I'm like, oh, it would be perfect. That little sucker was expensive. But the second one I tried on, it was beautiful. I fell in love with it. I was starting to get a little emotional, and I was starting to shake and stuff. And because I've never been with somebody that wanted to take the step with me, so it was a little overwhelming. And then I tried on some more, but my heart was still on that second one.
Yeah, and it was a big diamond. Well, it was about 4 diamonds, and it was a square. It looked really huge on her hand, and I don't know,
You didn't like it?
I didn't particularly like it because it just
really,
it just was big and square.
But you acted like you liked it.
Well, I gotta go with what you like. It's not about me, right? So. We seen that one, and there was another one that I thought she wanted, but she didn't want that one. But we kind of had our sights on these two. It was one that I liked, and one that she liked. Hers was the square one. Mine had diamonds in the band, and we wound up not putting any money on it, even though the guy was trying to get us to put something down on it to walk out with it. But it's like you want to surprise, the bride to be. And we just, we just left it at that,
Yeah, I don't want to be around when he purchases my ring. I don't want to know how much it is. I don't want to be around. That's for him to sort out. I want it to be a surprise. But at the same time, I wanted it to be something that I like. So that's why we went together. And I'm like, okay, I like this. So he has an idea of when he goes back, he has an idea of what to get so that I'll still like it because I'm going to wear it for the rest of my life. So I have to like it, right?
You're damn right. So after that, she went home. I guess we did discuss it a little bit, just rings and marriage and time frame and when we needed to do this or wanted to do it. In October, I decided to go to this place and, look at a ring with my mom.
Aww.
I didn't see the first choice of the ring she wanted. So I seen the second one that I thought she wanted with an infinity band, and it was 3-tier halo, just learn halo. I saw that one, but it was out of what I could spend at that time. So he pointed me to the ring that she has now. And this was in October when I went, and I actually had the ring. I had it sized in size 5. She got them little fingers.
Yeah.
and I had the ring since then, since October. So the whole while I had it, as soon as I bought it, I felt like she was posting a lot more on social media about marriage and these rings that are huge that I couldn't afford. So it really started to get to me because she kept sending them. And I'm like, wow. And people I know was like, wow. Like, that I did tell that I was going to propose to her. They were asking me, did she know? Because it was like right at the time when I bought it. And I told a couple people, and she just was going ham on the post. And I'm just like, okay, all right, you know. So it did get to me, got a little annoying, and, you know, I just kind of shut down. But I had the ring, and I was hoping she liked the ring, because, you know, it wasn't the exact one she liked.
Yeah, and I felt myself getting a little bit antsy as well, because like it seemed like every day somebody on Facebook or Instagram that I followed or whatever was getting engaged. And I'm like, what the hell? Yeah. Of course I'm happy for them. I'm never like jealous or or unhappy for someone. Truly happy for these people, but I'm like, damn. When is it gonna happen for us as well? Because we want to get the ball rolling, because he can't move here unless we're married. So the longer things carry on, it's the longer that it's gonna take for him to move here. You get me? Like, so things have to happen, kind of like in a timely manner.
Yeah, definitely.
And then, I was getting kind of annoyed too, because he wants a new camera and stuff, and I felt like that's all he was talking about. Oh, I want this new camera. It has this function. I'm like, what about my damn ring? You know what I mean? So I was finding myself like, I didn't think it was gonna happen. I felt like he wasn't interested anymore in going that route, because he would never like really talk about it. Every time I bring it up, he would like change the subject or go quiet. So eventually I just stopped talking about it. I'm like, whatever, it is what it is. But I found myself growing distant. Like, I was distancing myself, because I was like, well, it's not gonna happen, so like, whatever.
Yeah. And around that time that she was feeling like that, I felt like it's almost like she wanted me to tell her when I was gonna do it. And I'm just like, yo, it's a surprise. She didn't think that, but it's just like, I felt like that. It's like, yo, I don't live here, so I'm not gonna do it over the phone or anything like that, or over FaceTime. It might be acceptable to some people, but it's kind of old school here. So I felt like, she really wants this ring, and she really wants to be proposed to and married. And I felt like, I don't know, I just felt like I was being attacked a little bit, I felt like I was being attacked, and I would kind of shy away from it, because I'm trying to keep her just not having any knowledge of me planning to do it. And I actually told her family, told my family, and everybody around her knew, but they knew. Nobody told her, but she just was like miserable. Because everybody was getting proposed to, and I even tagged her in one, just to be like,
thanks.
Not smart, but just to be a little funny, like, here's another one.
That is horrible.
But your day was coming, and I would tell her like, yo, it's coming, you got to relax, you can't, comparison is the thief of joy. You know what I mean? So it was kind of stealing her joy a little bit. So it was a rough time before. Even on Christmas Day, earlier in the day, it was kind of rough. She was getting smart. People say, oh, your girlfriend's so nice, so nice. Yeah. I
am nice.
Don't get on that bad side, ever. Don't get on the bad side. Yeah. She just... see? Don't get on the bad side, because oh my god, it was crazy. So but I did get to propose to her on Christmas Day in front of her family. And it's funny, because she didn't even know that anybody was like holding cameras to her. Just like, everybody was just looking at her.
I was oblivious.
And we were, and I was, open and stuff. Matter of fact, we'll show you the video. Like, here's the video of that.
What is in there? What is in there? It is heavy. A book. A book about what?
Major problems in American history. Thank you. I know you guys have problems.
You need to know your history.
Yeah.
And I have a history degree, so we can help you.
No, this is just my college book. This is a joke. Around present.
That's sweet.
Right here.
Wow.
And I have a question for you. You would definitely love one of these. I didn't think it was going to happen. But it's happening. And you know, I just want to give you everything. Everything.
Wow.
And the question is, will you and charmainenaomii marry me?
Yeah, of course. Oh, thank you.
Now you can take that off.
He's like, why are you wearing this? I'm like, oh.
Yeah, garbage.
There you go. This is that's fun. Oh no. Fit. God.
Oh, wow. It's beautiful. Oh my God. It's beautiful. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you.
Told you. And it matches your necklace.
So wasn't that beautiful? It was. I have to give it to him. He was like really creative how he did it.
Yeah.
Really, because when I got to the end, I don't know if you saw my face. Like when I pulled out the book, I'm like, "Thanks, a book, a history book." Like, what am I gonna do with that?
Yeah.
Seriously, he was very, very creative, and of course, I got emotional, like because it was touching what he was saying with like the boarding passes, the picture, and stuff like that. Very, very touching.
Yeah. So, you know, I thought of that to really throw her off a little bit, and it just went from a sentimental gift. I mean, it was a sentimental gift because it was those things, and it was the ring, you know, to top it off at the end.
Yeah.
And that total surprise on her face did it for me. I watched that video about 50, 60 times, you know, and a lot of other people did on social media.
Yeah.
And, you know, I guess it had some tears in people's eyes.
Oh my God. People were crying. People were sharing the post. The amount of comments that we received was insane. It was overwhelming. Like, I think our proposal video has 1,700 views on Facebook right now, and the proposal picture has like probably like 1,000 likes. Like, people that never comment on our stuff at all because they're haters. The people that never comment on our stuff were commenting. It was insane. I'm like, wow, I haven't heard from you in 2 years. Like, your comment, it was just beautiful to see that.
Yeah, I agree. People that never comment on anything commented or liked it and stuff like that. So that was pretty cool and eye-opening also.
Yes.
You know?
Yeah.
So, that's nuts.
And you know, like, it was so nice that he did it in front of my family, because I'm a family person. If you guys don't know, I'm really into family and whatnot. So it was nice that he made sure that my family was around and they were in the loop and they participated and stuff like that. And just to see like my mom in tears, like she was crying and he was crying too, like,
hey, don't do that.
but you were. But it was just beautiful to see all that. Like, it was really, really nice. And it's a good thing I had like my makeup and stuff with me to touch up, because I was like a mess after. Like, I'm a very sensitive person anyhow, but I was like a mess after, so I had to go to like the bathroom and fix my face and stuff so I could take pictures, and it was just such a nice feeling. And you know, things really happen for a reason, because the ring that I wanted when he went back for it, it wasn't there. But this one by far blows the one that I wanted out the water. Like, this thing is beautiful. When I'm like out in the you know, in the light somewhere, it just sparkles. So many pretty colors, it just sparkles. I'm like, oh my god, this thing is beautiful. So I'm so happy. The one that I wanted was gone when he got there.
And let me tell you about the one that she wanted. After I found out about diamond clarity and things like that, I'm glad I didn't get that, because we actually zoomed in on the picture and it's not clear. It's brown, you know, like,
yeah, it's yellow.
Yeah, it's yellow.
It's yellow. Yeah.
So it's not even the best quality
No.
for how big that diamond was, and that's an eye opener. Like, oh wow, I'm really glad I didn't get that.
I'm glad too.
And that's why people get that little magnifier and look in, you know, like that's crazy. So I'm glad I got that, and she likes it. So I wasn't sure she was gonna like it because it wasn't her choice. Yeah, it's a great experience. And how we feel afterwards, it's like, I feel like anything is possible, because I didn't think getting married or, you know, proposing to somebody was possible for me, and I don't think she did either.
Yeah. No.
And it just it just gave you a whole new purpose. Like, wow, like, okay, we can get married and we can achieve these other goals that we set out to do too, because why not? You know, things is possible. You just, I pray and I just push for it to happen. You know, make it happen out here. You know, and I got a partner.
Of course, for life,
right here.
I got your back.
Yeah, she got my back. Like, she really do. She go hard. She will like cut somebody. Like,
I will cut them.
See, like, that's real too. I ain't even going. Not even going. We ain't going there because we don't want no homicides.
Yeah.
But yeah, it feels good. It's different. I'm happy. Things ain't perfect in life, but it's like, man, I'm gonna make it as perfect as possible. And she's my perfect mate.
Oh, you're mine too.
Yeah.
Give me a smooch.
But yeah, man. But that's the story time for us. Okay. Yeah, she's yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, so that's the story time from the journey to this proposal. It was a rough one, but I made it. I'm here for a bit, you know, and I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my time here. And you know, we hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, it's awesome to share with people that, you know, actually care.
Yeah, exactly. And if there are any other videos that you want us to record, if you have any other ideas for us, just comment. We love to see comments. Just pop it down below so we can check it out and add it to our list of videos. It's hard for us to do videos, of course, because he lives in Philly, I live in Ottawa, so it's kind of hard for us to do videos. But still comment, because when we get together, we'll do it, right? So definitely let us know what video you'd like us to do, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch our video. So like and subscribe to this and hit that bell if you definitely want us to, you know, make more footage, more videos and footage of like us, you know, running around the city of Philly or wherever we end up. You know, push that red button. Push it.
Yeah. So we'll get with y'all. We'll make another video. We'll definitely make another video real soon. All right.
All right. Toodles.